What up, Trusted Signals family? Today we're gonna go over a very important video that everyone needs to be aware of.
Beware of scammers.
There's scammers out there who are pretending to be us. And the way that you can find out if it's truly us or not is by the username number seen after the Trusted Signals name, or Destiny, or Rebel, which is our support team. I'm gonna show you guys how you can pinpoint whether someone is a true Trusted Signals affiliate or a scammer. So please do pay attention to this video and make sure that you are not a victim of these scammers. So here is the Discord chat, and I'm going to use my username as an example. If you go to Enochian1111, you can see that next to my username, I have a hashtag and a number, and I am number 3636. So number one, if someone claims to be me, make sure that you see it's 3636. If not, then you know it is not me who is messaging you. Now I'm gonna go into the testimonial section, and I'm going to click on the Trusted Signals admin account. And here you could see the official Trusted Signals account is 8585. So if you're getting a message by someone who claims to be Trusted Signals and you see that the number they have is not 8585, then they are not truly Trusted Signals. Now scrolling up, I'm going to click on Destiny FX, which is part of our support staff. You could see that the official number for Destiny is 4021. And scrolling up, I'm going to show you lastly Rebel. His number is 0181. If someone is claiming to be Rebel, please be sure that it is 0181 on his profile account. So Trusted Signals, remember, we will never, ever reach out to you via DM and ask you to submit a BTC payment. The only forms of payment that are available are the ones available on our website. These people are pretending to be Trusted Signals affiliates and Trusted Signals support by fake usernames. So follow the steps in this video. Make sure that they have the same identity number on Discord that you saw in this video to be able to verify if that person is truly with Trusted Signals or a scammer. The only payments available, again, are via our website. I hope that helps. I'm extremely sorry that this has happened. Unfortunately, that's what comes with a successful company and a successful business. People pretend to be you, pretend to be the company, and unfortunately, people fall for it. With all of that being said, let's have a positive week and ban these scammers. Trusted Signals, let's go.